how to make strong belief system. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. How are you doing all my dear friends? I hope that you all will be doing great and you all will be fit and fine. In today's video I am going to talk about how to believe in ourselves. Yes, you know my dear friends, belief is very important. Belief is very important in our life. If you don't have belief system, if you don't have a strong belief system, you can't achieve any great thing. You can't take risk in your life. You can't do something different from others because you don't have strong belief system. So how can you make strong belief system? Let's talk about this topic, about this point. So let's start the video. My dear friends, we all want to do some great thing, some big thing, some we want to achieve some greatest thing in our life. But what happens with all of us? We don't have belief, right? Whatever any new work or any new any kind of thing that we decide to do, we start feeling demotivated, we don't have more confident. We can't do that thing. I think I can't handle this work or that work. We start feeling nervous because we have not a strong belief system. So my dear friends, you have to believe in yourself. If you want to do any great thing, any big thing, first of all you have to believe in yourself. Yes, if you are not believing in yourself, then other will not trust on you, other one will not believe on you. Yes, first of all you have to believe in yourself. You know my dear friends, why do you feel unconfident while doing any new work or while having conversation or any kind of things with a stranger or with new person? Because you don't have more confidence. And how we can build our confidence? We can build our confidence only by believing in ourselves. Yes, we have to believe in ourselves that of course we can do that. I can do. I have power, I have energy, I have knowledge, I have all the thing. Yes, I can handle any situation, I can handle any problem. Whatever problem will come in front of me, I am ready to handle. Yes, try to say some positive words to your minds, to yourself. Yes, all the time we we discourage ourselves, I don't have more confidence, I don't have more knowledge, I don't have more experience. So how can I handle the people? How can I talk with anyone? How to do any new work? How to take risk in life? My dear friends, you have to believe in yourself. Just don't care of anything, only care about yourself, and don't care about anyone, because in your life no one is going to help you, no one will support you. You have to support yourself. If you are supporting yourself, then sure other will support you. If you are changing yourself, then definitely someone will help you to change yourself more and more. Yes, so first of all we have to change ourselves. We all want to change the world, we all want to change other people, but first we don't change ourselves. It's very bad thing. First you have to change yourself, and then after that you will be able to change others. You have to believe in yourself, and then other people will believe on yourself. Okay, are you getting my point? What exactly I'm trying to make you understand? Means, my dear friends, whatever, what the things happens with all of us, whenever we try to do any new things or any new work, we don't believe at ourselves. Like I don't have more confidence, I don't have more knowledge, I don't have more experience, I can't do that, can't do this. Suppose you have well knowledge in English, you have completed your grammar, all thing, but when it comes to talk with anyone, you will not be able to talk. Do you know why? Because you don't believe in yourself that I can talk. You have to believe, you have to face the people. Of course you can face, but before facing the people you discourage yourself. I can't do that, it's very difficult, it's very hard, it's not the work for me, it is not possible for me to do, I can't. That's why only because of having lack of belief in ourselves we get failure, or we get disadvantages in our life. Yes, so try to make a strong belief system in yourself. Definitely you will be able to do all the thing whatever you want to do. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got interesting, you can like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye my dear friends.